you. Yay, happy birthday to you. Inao gamay. Happy birthday. Blow your candle. Woo. Yay. Happy birthday, love. Thank you. Happy birthday, Kaki. We miss you. Mama.
Kaki. To my sister Tulutoy Kaki, who's far away but close to my heart. Happy birthday, Ki. Love you.
Oh my God, nakalimot jud kay ko kagahapon og greet. Daghan kay kog lakaw sa balay ba sa rest day. So naglakaw-lakaw jud ko gahapon nga wala jud ko naligo jud. Anyway, happy birthday, Kaki. I'm so happy nga sugod sa pag chat ninyo before, then JJ flew in sa imong country, hantod nagbanta danhi sa Camiguin. But before that, naila-ila ka nako first sa Cagayan when JG introduced you to us. Nangaon ta ato sa Panagatan. So happy seeing JG na very happy with her love life. She may have gone through a lot, but in the end, JG is in good hands with you, and she is doing much more better, very successful in her field, and now naalagay siya sa Canada, starting her life together with you. I'm very happy, and kanang open mo, no? You are accepted by your family and your friends, and then naano mo sa Canada nga mag-uban mo to be more successful. So happy birthday, and thank you very much, JJ, for extending help always sa ako and to Kaki pod kay every time nga sa una nga naituno si JJ sa ako. Moingon siya adto tong mga times nga na hospital ko nga asyon all gikan sa amo ni Kaki and all. So thank you very much for always being there sa ako para sa inyong duha ay kamong duha. Even bago pa ta nag-ila, Kaki, but I'm so happy nga you have become a part of JJ's life. Kay JJ is a wonderful friend since high school. So happy birthday and enjoy!
Hi, Kaki. Happy birthday to you, and God bless you guys. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, Karen, also known as T-Bird. So, I'm so happy that you fulfill your dreams. God is so good. You're now already in Canada. You are PR already. You found your beautiful and supportive wife. I hope that in the future, more blessings to come. Ang inyong plano nga magkaanak mo, I hope malayo na to siya. Makakita na ka sa instrument kung kinsa may makahatag ninyo ang inyong dream na magkaanak mo. And I wish you all the best. Despite sa inyong struggle dito pag-apply ninyo sa Canada, finally you are there already. Dugay-dugay na gina nimong dream. So, I'm so happy nga 41 na ka. You are still in good health. And you and JJ, I'm so happy, both of you. And I wish nga maka-settle down na mo diha, maka-adjust na mo. God is so good. Right away na kay trabaho, si JJ po na trabaho. So, this is already a birthday gift to you in advance to our dear father. So, hope to see you soon in Canada. Maybe. Inshallah. But happy birthday. And I love you so much. And both of you, JJ and you. Thank you so much. And good morning here in Oman. Bye.
To bonsai.
Stay bonsai forever.
Bonsai forever.
Ay, may hapon diha sa Canada. Anay kadlaw na dire. So, mag-greet ko nimo ya. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of love and happiness. And unta iya nga magamping ka always sa inyong laag, labi na sa pag-drive nimo ya. And di pa na to limtan na tong health. Yun, isod na. And so may this year brings you success and joy you deserve. So, happy birthday.
Hi, Parts! Gax, happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy. And I'm really, really blessed and happy na I meet you all guys in the span of time. I will treasure and keep those memories. As for you, Gax, stay healthy. And then, stay guapo. Diba? Stay macho. And hopefully we can see your mini-me's of you and Gigi. And good luck in everything. God bless you always. Stay humble. Stay what you are. You're such a good person. And hopefully I can meet you soon. Happy birthday, Early Gax. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Thank you.
Hi Kaki, happy birthday. May God shower you with blessings today, always, and forever. I hope you guys have fun and always take care. I'll see you soon. Bye! From your Disney princess in Kuwait. Shout out.
Hi Kuya Kaki, happy birthday. Unta more blessings sa imong mahot. Og unta permi ka i-guide sa Ginoo, palayo ka sa sakit. Kasi kag sakit-sakit ya. Mingaw na ko ninyo ni Ate Jai, ang ping mo unta permi mo i-guide sa Ginoo biskan asa mo manglakaw. Miss you both.
Hi Kaki, happy birthday. May God grant all your prayers and wish you all the best. We miss you here in Kuwait. Take care always. Bye.
Hi guys! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Pray na ko ni mo, wish na ko na good health lang for me. Tapos, I miss you both ni Gigi dito sa Kuwait. Dayon lang sa imong pagkamaayon kay I know you are so humble person. And grabe jud ka God-fearing. Amping mong duha ni Gigi. Love you.
Hi Kaki, happy birthday. You being born is a blessing na, so continue to be a blessing to others. Continue to be a blessing to your family. May you have many more birthdays to come, more success. Be healthy and be happy always. God bless.
Hi Bonsai! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life. I wish you success. Especially, I wish you good health always. I miss you. Happy birthday. Be as aspiring as you are always. And I wish to see you soon. Bye! Happy birthday!
And good morning sa mga taga-Canada, Mama JJ, and of course, sa ating birthday celebrant si Papa Kaki. Ayan, kakantahan muna kita. Today is your birthday, your most special day. We will make you happy for more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most special day. Ayan, happy birthday, Papa Kaki. Lahat naman yata ng wish namin sa inyo natupad na. Pero eto, sige na nga, more blessings to come. Stay healthy and stay happy. Alam namin na masaya kayong magkasama dyan at we are very very happy din na nakikita yung mga post ninyo at parang syempre feeling din namin nandyan na rin kami sa Canada through your post. Ayan, we're always praying na sana nasa mabuti rin kalagayan and of course He will just guide you all the way. Ayan, at alam nyo naman ako iyakin at yung 1 month na wala kayo, syempre ang hirap mag-move on. Ay, jowa. Ayan. Ayan, well, anyway, in behalf ng mga taga-Kuwait, kay Mylene and other friends natin, ayan na nakakaalala sa yung birthday, gusto nila iparating sa'yo ng happy birthday. And God bless you daw po. Ayan, lalong-lalo na kay Mylene. Si Mylene tulog pa. So, yon. Ano po bang wish ko? Marami na akong wish. Alam niyo naman, pinagpipray ko kayo araw-araw. Ayan. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo! Ayan, happy birthday din daw. Sabi din pala ni Iros kanina, nag-usap kami. Ayan, Papa and Mama, I love you both and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Ayan, Papa, once again, happy birthday. Love you. Ciao. Hi, Kaki. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Hi Kai, happy birthday. It's your first birthday sa Canada with Gigi, and like what I said before, kanang I'm so happy that you came into Gigi's life, and amping mo diha. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kaki! Happy birthday! October 4th ka pala. Ang mga October ay mababait. Coming from another celebrant from October. But it's not about me, it's about you. Happy birthday, my dear friend! I wish you all the best and may God grant you all the desires of your heart. Happy birthday! Ito si Nat.
Happy birthday! Kahit nagda-drive, binabati kita sa tayo inom.
Bye! Have a great birthday!
Happy birthday, Bonsai! I wish you wellness and prosperity here in Canada. I wish nga malipayon ka with JG and malipayon ka nga we get to see each other sometimes and to more concerts again. And I wish you that you're living the dream here in Canada. See you next week. Mag-celebrate sa imong birthday next week. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, Bonsai! A year early but still goodie. Have a good one. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Kaki! Akong panis na ni, ngunis camera, so akon lang, pabagag na. Ayo mo diha, and I hope no, dili mo magkasakit din na. I know na, I saw your post, enjoy man diha kaayo. Take care always, and happy birthday again. See you soon!
Hi Kaki, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy and more birthdays and blessings to come. Stay in love with Ate JG. More patience. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ki! Happy birthday! Congrats sa tanan imuhang achievements nga imong na-achieve sa imong edad karon. Bisan gamay pa ka kay daghan na kag na-achieve, you should be proud. More blessings and enjoy your life. New life dira sa Canada. Sapot na akong baby. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye and happy birthday. Bye-bye. Mwah. 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 Sige na, bye-bye.
Happy birthday!